Hey guys, welcome to Levite Apparel. Hey guys, this is Levite Apparel.
Alright guys, so again this is Levi Apparel. Please like and subscribe. So we got playing in the actually cutting in the background my Silhouette cutter. As you know, I have many vinyl cutters, but my Silhouette is the one I use the most. It's very reliable and it really helps when it comes to like getting things done. I have a 12 by 24 mat, so I can throw any vinyl on there. Again, you want to get the largest mat that you can get, and try your best not to use that Silhouette without a mat, because when it gets to the end, it's gonna just go all over the place and it's gonna mess up your artwork. All right. So again, this is Levi Apparel. Please like and subscribe. I may say again, but hey, you know what it is. Like and subscribe then. All right. Cool.
Alright guys, please like and subscribe. This is Levi Apparel. Just doing some cuts for 12 shirts. Next you're gonna see the red and then the blue. I'm just prepping it, getting together, and then gonna throw it on a shirt. You've seen the shirt on my previous video before, so you don't really need to see it, but it is what it is. I might or I might not show you the finished product, but you've already seen it before in a previous video. This is just a reorder somebody wanted. All right, so right now you're looking at the Silhouette cutter just cutting away, and that's basically it. All right, so just gonna flip the camera around. Actually, nah, I'm gonna move on to the next vinyl. All right, just gonna break it down, show you how it's done, remove the vinyl, and then that way you should be good to go. All right. Hey guys, this is Levi Apparel. Please like and subscribe. So we're doing a little late night activities. Basically we just got this right here. We're setting up. It's like 12 shirts I'm doing, and I already cut out the blue with the Silhouette Cameo. It's right here. All right. So next, all I'm doing is just so I've already what I did was I went to right here. We have the text. I typed in all this and I went to fonts, and I used a different variety of fonts that they had on the side right here where the mouse is. So after doing that, I highlighted everything and then flipped it horizontally. So for example, right here, once you're done with everything, you just highlight all of it and then you flip it horizontally. And then from there, when you're done flipping this horizontally and everything, and it looks good, you want to take it to right here where it says center cutter. So we've already let me just do it again. Unload. Uh-oh. Come on, get in there. All right, so okay, cool. So all right, sorry about that. Okay, so I'm just gonna press load. Didn't load correctly, so hold on a second. Give me a quick minute. All right, so I gotta redo this. So we're gonna unload and gonna load it again. All right. Okay, yeah, I think it was done correctly. I gotta get it done perfect because I don't want it moving around. There we go. All right. So I don't know if you noticed these little tabs. I created it. There's like two, one on each side. The reason why I did that was I was tired of trying lining it up. So all I did was I took tape and I lined this up and I just basically put it down, back and forth, put multiple tape on this side too. And then that way whenever I put this right here, by the way, it's long, it's like 24 inches long. That's what she said. Anyways, so yeah, so I was getting tired of just trying to line it up and having it go on every which side. So that's why I put these little tabs. So feel free to do so. It'll help you a lot. Also, if you're ever cutting vinyl on this Silhouette vinyl cutter, I would not recommend not using a mat. They have long mats and they have short mats. Buy the 12 by 24. It will help you out a lot. It's best if you have too much room than not have enough room. So again, when you get the Silhouette, you want to get the 24 inches long vinyl mat. All right. So okay, cool. So now we're gonna move into this since we've already loaded the vinyl. Next step is to okay, cool. So we're going to select right here. We're going to select what type of media. All right. I have this preset right here for heat transfer. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but usually when you press heat transfer, it's going to say 2. It says 3 because for some reason, the Silhouette is off by 1. So that's why I put it for 3. All right. Usually it's 2, but I put it for 3. 3 gives you a beautiful weeding. You don't have to you don't have any hassle. Everything just comes out nice and clean. All right. So now we're going to press send. All right. Again, you want to make sure your artwork is flipped horizontally so it can look backwards. Also, sometimes you can do this right here too. It'll ask you and then you can flip it horizontally. All right, so let's see what happens. All right, so right now all it's doing is just cutting. All right. And if you want to know how long this is gonna take, it will sit right here. All right, it will tell you the cutting is 16 minutes. I'm not gonna make this video that long, but I just want you to know how to set up your vinyl on the mat, load it to the vinyl cutter, and then get your artwork ready and send it to the vinyl cutter so it can cut it out. All right. As you can see, this thing is loud, so it is what it is. Please like and subscribe. This is Levi Apparel. I'm also gonna add. I'm just gonna pause it and then show you what happens at the end. Oh, the shirt that we're gonna do is right there in that box. All right. So it's like 12 shirts in there that needs to be done. All right. Okay. All right, guys. So, all right. So, what am I watching? Hey, look who it is. Hey, Dove Productions. All right. Okay, cool. So, right now it looks like it has like 8 minutes left. It's right here. But as it's winding up to finish, I just want to tell you some stuff that you need to have. So make sure you have scissors.
Over there is the weeding thingy. It's a pick, and I have 2 of the lint removers. It's only because I couldn't find the smaller one, so I was using the bigger one. That's why they're both there. On top right here, the black and green, those are gloves. Those are like heat protector gloves for when I do the next video with white toner. You have to remove the what do you call it? You have to do the peeling method on the actual heat press, and the heat press is like super hot, so that's why I got it. Over there, that light, the headlamp, that's for me to know where to remove the vinyl, because sometimes the vinyls are hard to see the intricate cuts. This right here is a flask, I think it's called. It's from Loops and Thread. But anyways, the main purpose of this is so it can like cut, you know, so you can just hold it down and just cut. So I can cut the vinyl easier. I have the mat right here. This mat, this is a cutting mat, so you can cut in it and it heals itself. All right. So yeah. Sorry guys, it's kind of late. I'm very tired, and I need to get this 12 shirt done by today so I can deliver it tomorrow. Most likely, I'm probably going to try to just weed everything and then leave it for tomorrow. Alright, looks like we got about 6 more minutes before it's done. So I'm just gonna pause the video, and then we'll get back when everything is set. Alright guys, it is all done. Alright, let me mute A-Dove. Alright. So that's it right here. It's all done. Alright, so now we're gonna press unload. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but okay, you can kind of see it. So this side looks on the vinyl. Alright, let me pause real quick, see if I... Alright, so let's try to weed some of this out so you can get a feel as to how it is. Basically, the vinyls has already been cut. This intricate cuts that's already been made. All you have to do is just pull it out. The reason why you have this weeding tool or pick is basically a dental pick that they adapted to be a weeding tool. Weeding is just removing excess vinyl. All right, so as you can see, it's starting to come together. Okay, sometimes it'll break. When it breaks is because the cuts are too slim, so as you're pulling it, it's breaking. I'm just trying to get a really good one for you so you can see. This sometimes takes time, but not all the time. But this is why I put it on 3, so it can come out nice and clean. And this is why vinyl sometimes isn't good for like multiple color layering. But I chose to do vinyl anyways because it was a lot less messier. I don't have to worry about like issues. If it's cut correctly, it's cut correctly. If not, I'll just throw it back on the vinyl cutter, and then it'll make the cuts that it needs to. All right, so this is why you need a weeding tool, guys, because
it helps you move things a lot faster. This is why a lot of times people get DTG machines and like they choose to do screen printing, because sometimes the vinyl takes a little bit longer to remove. But you know what? Everything has its quirks. If you were to do this in screen printing, you would have to first design the artwork, turn it to black, print it out, put it on the screen. But before you put it on the screen, you have to put emulsion, let that emulsion harden, and then you'd have to put the the film on the screen. It has to be really opaque black. If not, you have to do it all over. So everything has its quirks, but when it comes to vinyl, vinyl is one of those things that I don't think Alright, cool. So I'm not gonna go too long, but this is basically it. So there we go. This is it. This is how it looks like. And then I got plenty more I gotta do. Alright. So this is Levi Apparel. Please like and subscribe. Alright. Removing some vinyl. This is 10 shirts worth of vinyl.